So it is springtime, and today I thought I would show you what's beginning to grow in my yard. And these boxes aren't full of anything yet, except this one has blueberries in it. But soon they will be full of wonderful things, herbs, tomatoes, all sorts of different plants. But there are a few things starting to grow, and I want to show you what they were. So come on with me, I'll show you what's growing. And beginning with the lavender, you can see it's starting to turn green again. We have our clematis, and you can see it's beginning to grow. Lovely little buds. And I have another variety of clematis down here, and it is also beginning to come alive. See that little shoot of it? Really good. These are hyacinths. Those will be exciting. Looks like we have some lilies over there. Some daffodils. Ones right here are tulips. Another little crocus. Isn't that sweet? I love crocus flowers. All my tulips from Amsterdam. I brought these back on a visit one time. And my thyme border is doing well. Should probably shape this soon. Sage is coming back to life. Here is a rose, and you can see it's just going wild. It's really gonna come to life, and I've pruned these into the shape that I want already. Here's another rose. See all that red? Very exciting. These mums, this mum did not make it. I didn't plant it very well. That was kind of an afterthought as a garden. Some coral bells coming back to life. I need to weed out some of the grasses. A tulip border coming up. I don't see any peony growth yet. Here is some more tulips. Just coming up. See these? That's all tulips. And this is a border of tulips. Here are more daffodils. And there are hyacinths here and there mixed in. This is an aster. I don't know if it made it. Doesn't look like it. But I'm going to leave it until I know for sure. This is a little hydrangea standard. It's not doing anything yet. It's definitely a hyacinth poking through the ground. That'll be a poppy soon. Another clematis vine. These daffodils are getting ready to do it. This is where a stargazer lily will come out of at some point. I leave things in the ground, at least some of the stems, so I know where things are going to be the next year, so I don't accidentally dig them up or weed them. I think this is columbine, a little leaf. That's a really pretty flower. More roses. These ones don't look like they're doing as well. Especially this one. This one looks dead. But I'm gonna wait and see till I know for sure. Some strawberries. These need to be cleaned up, but they are coming back to life. Here's our Corylus contorta tree, or Harry Lauder's walking stick, whatever you want to refer to it as. Thyme, ground cover thyme, which has really taken off. My grapevine. Don't see too much of an indication of anything just yet on my grapevine. More roses, those look happy. These were here before I was here, so they've been here a long time, these roses. This is the only original garden. Everything else I added. So that was a little walk around the yard, and I hope you liked it, and I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration and a little bit of hope for any gardening that you may have planned for in the future. Thanks for watching.